The late afternoon sun cast a golden glow on the quiet park. Emma strolled along the path, her footsteps crunching on the fallen leaves. Suddenly, something shiny caught her eye. She stopped. It was a wallet. A brown, worn leather wallet lying in the dirt. Curious, she crouched down, picked it up, and brushed off the dust. "Who does this belong to?" she murmured to herself. Emma flipped the wallet open. Inside, she found a stack of crisp cash, a driver's license, and a small photograph of a family, a man, a woman, and 2 kids smiling brightly. Her eyes fell on the license. The name read George Carter, with an address not far from here. She hesitated for a moment. "I have to return this," she decided, clutching the wallet tightly. The streets were quiet as Emma walked toward the address on the license. The houses looked old but cozy. Her heart raced as she approached a small, white house with a blue door. She stood there, unsure for a moment. What if they don't believe me, she wondered. Taking a deep breath, she rang the doorbell. The door creaked open, and an elderly man peeked out. His eyes landed on the wallet in Emma's hand, widening in surprise. "Mr. Carter," she asked, "I found this in the park." The man's face lit up. He took the wallet with trembling hands. "Thank you. I thought I lost it forever." Inside, Emma noticed the photo of his family sitting on the table. She smiled, knowing she had returned something precious. As Emma turned to leave, Mr. Carter called out, "Wait. Please take this." He offered her a small chocolate bar from the table. Emma laughed. "That's not necessary, but thank you." Walking back home, Emma felt a warmth in her chest. Doing the right thing had never felt so good.
You've brought me more than just my wallet. You've brought back my faith and kindness. Thank you, dear.